Today guys, I will show you how to post on Reddit community, easy and quick step by step. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Reddit like this, and after opening your Reddit, you see here the homepage. Go click on create, and right now choose the title, for example, I don't know, and title the text just random things. Right now, the important things is to go in here and select your community that you want to post in. For example, this, click on it like this, and right now click on post. And that's all guys. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe in this channel, and see you in another tutorial.